Hi, this is Faindra Jabbar from the Trainers Tips. So let's say this is your first experience watching my video. I would like to encourage you guys to click subscribe button below here and click the notification button as well so that I can pass you with my new video every Tuesday, every Saturday. Today I'm going to talk about pedagogy and andragogy. After this. Make it simple, pedagogy is referring to learning method that we will apply when we deal with kids or children. So it means we have to emphasize more on teacher-centered rather than student-centered. Meanwhile, andragogy is referring to learning method that we will practice when we deal with adult learner. So what makes them different? Definitely because adult learner, adult trainees, adult students, definitely they come with the different background knowledge. You know why? Because I keep telling myself that everyone else knows something that you don't. So in order to be an effective trainers for adult learner, first you should respect their knowledge and experience. You should have a sharing session rather than teaching session. So definitely, obviously we can see that the adult learning session will be different compared to kids or children learning session. We can still practice idea sharing sessions for pedagogy, I mean for the kids and children, but we have to give more information so that they can capture what we are trying to say. Pedagogy, kids or children, andragogy, adult learner. For pedagogy, we as a teacher, we are the main character in the class. We have to teach them. Meanwhile, for the andragogy, we will be the facilitators and we just facilitate the learning environment. So the bottom line is, again, pedagogy for children and kids, andragogy for adult learners. See you guys again in next episode of the Trainers Tips. Bye.